Hi friends, today we can see how to draw using number 4. So let us start now. First you write number 4. Now for the reference I am marking in the sketch. So using number 4 I am going to teach how to draw a dolphin. We have to extend the line so that now we can make a face. We have to make a curve from starting here till here. So to make a curve we have to do like this. So after this you should make a tail. So after this we have to join this. Dolphin have fin in the middle of the body. So middle of the body we are drawing this. After this we have to draw the fin. Dolphin has two fins at the sides. So both the fins we are drawing. After this you draw the mouth. So then eyes. Nose. Dolphins have teeth. Dolphins usually have hundreds of teeth. So we are drawing here like a V shape which looks like a teeth. See how simple dolphin is drawn using number 4. Next we can see how to draw an umbrella using number 4. So for umbrella we have to draw 4 like this. Write 4 like this. So after writing 4 I am marking in the sketch for the reference how it is done. So now we are going to start drawing umbrella. It's a simple way, so kids will be very eager to learn it and they will be very interesting. You have to join these two lines. So after joining these two lines you make a U. After making a U you make this line and then a bend and then the handle. This is the handle of the umbrella, and then umbrella has like a bend. After opening you will get a full open. So in this way umbrella is drawn. So handle can be decorated. So in this way umbrella is drawn. So last one I am going to teach using number 4 is simple one. Every kids love it. So let us see what I am going to teach you. So first you write number 4. So using this I am going to teach you how to draw fish. So all kids like fish. Fish will be in many colors. So it will be looking very pretty. So we are going to draw a pretty fish now. So you have to make a bend like this. After that for the face of the fish, little bit sharpening the end like this. Okay. Like this. So that the face is formed. The fish is smiling. So I am doing like this. And then eyes. After this I am going to draw the fin. For the fin you have to start from here. You have to make a slanting line and then a straight line. Same here, slanting line and then a straight line. You can decorate the tail by any design. I am drawing here a V design. And then scales. Usually fishes have beautiful scales which will be very shiny. So I am drawing here the scale of the fish so that fish look very pretty. See, in this way fish is drawn using number 4. So we have seen how to draw dolphin using number 4, and then umbrella, and finally fish. In this way we can draw using numbers. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to your friends. Thank you.